This will be a short video. Delta virus is spreading. And we have to be very careful para hindi kumalat ang Delta virus. And I'm trying to learn ASL, American Sign Language. Doc, anong connect ng ASL sa COVID? Nag-feed ako sa Instagram ko before. Ang sabi ko, less talk, less droplet, less COVID. Pero, no talk, no droplet, no COVID. So I hope pag-aralan natin ang ASL, share it to your family members at home and to your friends in workplace. So, mag-aral tayo. Just 7 basic words, 7 basic phrases para sa ASL. Number 1, hello and goodbye. Hello, goodbye. So, yung active hand mo at the side of your head and then up and down movement. Hello, goodbye. Second, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yung passive hand mo, palm up, and then spread mo yung active hand. Nice. And then 2 fingers, yung active hand, towards your chest. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Third word, thank you. Thank you. Yung active hand mo towards your mouth, and then halfway down. Thank you. Thank you. Fourth word, good morning. Good morning. So parang thank you din siya. Pero, you will raise your active hand in an L shape. Towards your mouth muna, and then L shape. Good morning. Good morning. So, nakaapat na tayo. Yung panglima, please. So, yung active hand mo towards your passive shoulder and circle movement. Please. Please. And then, next is no. No. So, snap yung 3 fingers mo once or twice. And then, no. And then, i-move mo yung head mo na you deny it. No. No. And then yung last is yes. So, make a fist and then up and down lang yung ating hand. Yes. And make sure na magnanod ka na in agreement. Yes. Yes. So again, hello. Goodbye. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Good morning. Please. No. Yes. So basic ASL. I hope you will practice this daily at home and with your friends in your workplace. Sabi ko nga, no talk, no droplet, no COVID. This is Dr. J saying goodbye. Nice to meet you. And thank you for watching.